Welcome to Jobs India Consultancy. Here you can find your dream job. Effective recruitment strategies for building a high-performing team. Introduction. Recruiting the right talent is critical to the success of any organization. A strong recruitment strategy not only helps in identifying and hiring the best candidates but also contributes to building a high-performing team that can drive business growth. In this video, we will explore some effective recruitment strategies that can help you attract top talent and build a winning team. 1. Define your ideal candidate before you start the recruitment process. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of the qualities, skills, and experience you're looking for in a candidate. Create a detailed job description that outlines the specific qualifications and characteristics required for the role. This will not only help you target the right candidates but also streamline your screening process. To utilize online job portals in the digital age, online job portals are a valuable resource for both recruiters and job seekers. Platforms like Jobs India Consultancy can help you reach a wide pool of potential candidates. Make sure your job postings are well crafted and include essential information about the role, company culture, and benefits. 3. Leverage social media. Social media is another powerful tool for recruitment. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to share job openings, company updates, and engaging content that showcases your company's culture. Engaging with potential candidates on social media can also help create a positive impression and attract passive job seekers. 4. Employee referral programs. Your current employees can be your best advocates for finding top talent. Implement an employee referral program that encourages your team to recommend qualified candidates. Offering incentives or rewards for successful referrals can further boost participation in the program. 5. Partner with recruitment agencies. Recruitment agencies specialize in finding and vetting candidates for various roles. Partnering with a reputable agency can save you time and resources while ensuring that you receive qualified candidates who match your criteria. These agencies often have access to a network of candidates that may not be actively looking for jobs. 6. Conduct thorough interviews. Interviews are a crucial part of the recruitment process. Develop a structured interview process that assesses not only the candidate's skills and qualifications but also their cultural fit with your organization. Behavioral interviews, case studies, and technical assessments can help you gauge a candidate's abilities accurately. 7. Showcase your company culture. In addition to job responsibilities and compensation, candidates are increasingly interested in the company's culture. Highlight your organization's values, mission, and work environment during the recruitment process. Conduct office tours or virtual tours if possible, and share testimonials from current employees to provide a glimpse of what it's like to work at your company. 8. Offer competitive compensation and benefits to attract top talent. Your compensation and benefits package should be competitive. Research industry standards and ensure that your offers are in line with or exceed those benchmarks. Benefits such as healthcare, flexible work arrangements, and professional development opportunities can also make your company more attractive to candidates. 9. Continuous learning and improvement. Recruitment is an ongoing process, and it's essential to continuously evaluate and refine your strategies. Analyze the effectiveness of different recruitment channels, interview techniques, and candidate assessments. Use data and feedback to make informed decisions and improve your recruitment processes. Conclusion: effective recruitment strategies are essential for building a high-performing team that can drive your organization's success. By defining your ideal candidate, leveraging online and offline resources, and focusing on company culture and employee engagement, you can attract top talent and ensure that your recruitment efforts contribute to the growth and prosperity of your business. Remember that recruitment is not a one-time task, it's an ongoing effort that requires adaptability and continuous improvement to stay competitive in today's dynamic job market. Visit our website www.jobsandIconsultancy.com. Website link mentioned in the description.